First, turn off the machine and disconnect the power. Insert the hex key into the side hole of the tool head to separate it from the swapper. Place the tool head back. Use the H2.0 hex key to remove the 6 screws. Remove the air duct, fan cover, and female base in order. Use the H2.0 hex key to remove the 2 screws. Disconnect the fan cable. Remove the fan. Use the H1.5 hex key to remove the 4 screws. Remove the fan adapter board. Use the H2.0 hex key to remove the 8 screws in a diagonal sequence. Remove the X-axis slider too. Remove the 4 springs. Hold down the torsion spring. Support the silver nut at the bottom. Use the H2.0 hex key to loosen the screw. Remove the belt tensioner block and torsion spring. Remove the bottom nut. Use the torsion spring to hook and remove the belt anchor block at the other end. Release the other belt using the same method. When reinstalling the belt, make sure it is not twisted. Start with this end of the belt. Insert the belt into the slider hole, paying attention to orientation. Align the front end of the belt flush with the bottom surface of the slider. If the frequency difference between the 2 belts exceeds 8 Hz, back off the tighter belt by 1 tooth at this step. Insert the belt anchor block into the slider hole. Paying attention to orientation, the side with the circular mark should face the belt. Use the handle of needle nose pliers to press the anchor block down until it is flush with the slider surface. Insert the nut into the hexagonal hole at the bottom of the slider and hold it to prevent it from falling. Secure the other end of the belt, seat the tensioner block into the slider, and tighten the screw. Insert the long arm of the torsion spring into the tensioner block. Hold down the torsion spring. Use needle nose pliers to twist the short arm into the slider slot. Make sure the torsion spring is properly seated. Reinstall the other belt using the same method. Reinstall the 4 springs. Move the carbon rod bearing into the center of the slider. Reinstall the X-axis slider too. Note the orientation of the cylindrical structure here. Tighten the 8 screws in a diagonal sequence. Reinstall the fan, and tighten the 2 screws. Reinstall the fan adapter board, tighten the 4 screws, and reconnect the fan cable. Install the female base, starting with the 4 bottom screws first. Then reinstall the fan cover and air duct in order. Finally, tighten the remaining 2 screws on the female base. After powering on, go to Settings, Maintenance, Homing Calibration, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the remaining steps.